the help of this website, you can do search engine optimization within seconds. If you are a digital marketer, so you will have to spend a lot of money, and it is time taking to do research about a particular topic or about a particular product. So use this tool to get instant raw search insight direct from the mind of your customers. So let's start the video. Firstly, come to this website answerthepublic.com. I have given the link in the description. And if you want to Google search engine optimization, so you will have to click here. Otherwise, click on YouTube. So I'll just do SEO for YouTube. Here you can search any topic you want. Every day you will get 3 search totally free of cost. So search here any topic you want, text to video converter, and you can do SEO in for all the country in the world. But I'll search India. You can search the language, search. See the result. See how many of them, what customers search on YouTube. So these are the things. How text to video converter free, what, when, custom. These are the topics they search on YouTube. Text video converter, text to video converter free, text to video converter app for Android. So these are the SEO. You can see the result. These are the SEO analytics. Whoever is a studied digital marketing, so they can understand very well about all these topics. So I hope you like the video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, comment down below, and subscribe the channel if you haven't subscribed. Have a good day, all the best.